I'm sorry to say this, but 2025 is not gonna be your year. Unless you start doing the things you've never done, you won't grow. Walang magbabago kung pareho lang din yung gagawin mo. Hindi yung mga magulang mo, hindi yung mga friends mo, at mas lalong hindi yung partner mo ang kukuha ng mga pangarap mo kung hindi ikaw lang. Ikaw at ikaw lamang. Mag-focus kang palaguin yung tatlong bahagi ng buhay mo. Something that will make you smart. Doesn't matter kung anong skill man yan, anong book or anong hobbies. Focus on becoming adroit. Next is something that will make you wealthy. Hindi lang sa physical, maging mental at emotional. Dapat ma-handle mo din to. Turn your insecurities into something positive. What if mag-fail ako? What if na mag-succeed ka? What if hindi to para sa akin? What if para sa'yo talaga yan? Dahil ang totoo, it takes a lot of hard work para makuha yung mga bagay na inaasa mo. Remember, 2025 isn't about making the perfect year, but about becoming better than 2024. Laban lang, kaya mo yan. So, ayun lang. I'll see you on the next one. Peace!